Radio 1.
One world, your station.
Neena Gupta, wonderful to see you, and I hope you're enjoying America. I know I'm sorry to wake you up so early in the morning, but you're an early riser normally, isn't it?
आई एम वेरी अर्ली राइजर. अब तो मेरी दोपहर हो गई. अब तो 10-11 बज रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
I know जब रणवीर शौरी गया था मेट्रो पार्क की शूटिंग में I think for the same for Ajayan only. At that time, for him it was very, very early morning. For you, it's nice to see that you're saying it's half the day over.
Yeah.
So Dial 100, the trailer is making such amazing, reactions, causing people to react. It's amazing, and actually the trailer has you on the phone most of the time, and then you and Sakshi Tanwar with some scenes. So it must have really pleasantly surprised you, the reaction to the trailer.
Yeah, I think they have made it also very well. That's one thing. But yeah, and the way they have थोड़ा करके थोड़ा बताया, थोड़ा नहीं बताया. So that tactic is very nice of theirs. I think that has worked. And people don't actually know, they are guessing कि मैंने किसी को मारा होगा या कुछ किया होगा या मनोज क्या कर रहा है, that kind of thing. So they've done it very well.
Neena ji, you're a very modest person, but I'm going to again say this. Very few actors on this planet can use voice the way you do. One is, of course, in the scene, in the trailer, you're talking to him, invoking emotion through your voice. Just before the trailer launch, you had put out a very interesting piece, which is just your voice saying, Falani date pe, this is going to happen and things like that. Now, obviously, as actors, you are used to dubbing rooms, dubbing for your characters before sync sound came in. But to invoke emotion through the voice, how difficult that is. Talk about that, please.
So actually what happened was that any actor can say the same line in 15 different ways. Okay, sometimes you are confused. अब मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, sometimes you are confused. I can say it very differently, Sometimes you are confused. So when so एक सुर होता है, हर एक project का एक सुर होता है. So my first day of shoot in the car, I asked Renzel, I said, मैं कैसे बोलूं, इतना ऊंचे बोलूं, ऐसे बोलूं, 2-3 मैंने बोला, बताया. उसने बोला नहीं, आप ये लेवल रखो. और वो करेक्ट सुर मेरे को मिल गया जो मैंने पूरी फिल्म में यूज किया. और जब मैंने ये एड टाइप भी किया, तो अब तो मैंने अपने फोन पे वॉइस मैसेज में किया. सो आई केप्ट द सेम सुर, and which is a little eerie, which is very mysterious. So ये फर्क होता है ना, अच्छे डायरेक्टर ने एक आपको अच्छा सुर पकड़ा दिया तो आपका परफॉर्मेंस एनहांस हो जाता है. So that's how it happened.
And Renzel is, from what I see from his work, I've seen Kurban, I've seen 24. He's very stylized. The thriller genre, he shoots in a very ad film kind of space. So your experience of working with a director like that?
He's very clear what he wants. Very, very clear. So there was this sequence I was doing and I said, ये ठीक लग रहा है, ऐसे कर रही हूँ मैं, इसका ये लॉजिक होना चाहिए, ये सही लग रहा है. And he explained me. He says, this is your character and this is how it is. And this is, so he convinced me because he knew what he was doing. And it didn't affect me. His style didn't affect me as an actor because I was free to do a lot of things also in the same sur, So उसका जो craft है, उसने मेरे काम में बाधा नहीं डाली. That's very important. कुछ directors का craft काम में बाधा डालता है.
That's very well said. But then you've worked with the Baap of all ad filmmakers. Shyam Babu was making so many ad films when you were working with him through that phase. So ad film directors are a very interesting breed. How they tell stories in 30 seconds and then they tell stories in the long format.
Yeah. In fact, ad film की shoot से ही समझ में आया because उसमें एक line होती है आपकी. एक line को मैं तो 50 तरह से बोल सकती हूँ. So sometimes you don't know. then what I do, I close my head and I say, mean it and say it in the milieu. And that's the correct thing actually. So ad film से ही सीखी हूँ मैं वो एक line को कैसे उसका effect maximum हो, you know. Yeah.
Neena ji, have you worked with Manoj Bajpayee before, or is this the first time?
No,
First
I have
time, huh?
worked with him and Sakshi both. Yeah.
Wow. And this must have really excited you even at the signing stage. 3 really powerhouse actors.
Yeah.
You know, you have such
Absolutely.
different styles, but at the same time, you know, you have come into that whole layer. So talk about Manoj, talk about Sakshi a little bit, please.
मनोज के साथ मेरे इतने सीन्स तो नहीं हुए, साक्षी के साथ ज्यादा सीन हुए मेरे. somebody that day asked me कि describe him in one word, तो मैंने बोला दम है बंदे में, you know, वो उसमें दम है, चाहे वो बेदम रोल भी करे फिर भी दम है, you know. And I was watching him, he is so fit, you know, there is not इतना सा भी वजन किसी कोने में नहीं दिखता है, and so agile and so wonderful. मेरे को आज भी दूसरों से सीखने को मिलता है, एक्टिंग भी और ये भी कि कैसे फिट रहना है, you know. So वो शाम को कुछ हम खा रहे थे, we had all night shoots. It was a very tough shoot for me because all 9 days I shot were all nights, you know, and for me it's very difficult. I have to take a pill because then I can't sleep in the morning. So he will not touch any kachra, patti, eating. So all these things to me are very important. I get encouraged, I get inspired by these kind of people. And Sakshi, I mean, first time then we got stuck in a car, long drives in the night, and it was very hot in the car. And then we started singing old film songs, Hindi film songs, which she likes and I likes. And we had such a lovely time. It never felt like कि पहली बार काम कर रहे हैं. तो अच्छे actors की यही होता है, ऐसा नहीं लगता. And when I worked with Mr. Bachchan, you know how nervous I was. But acting करने गए तो actor ही है ना.
In Dial 100, Sakshi and you are both mothers, but you play a very different kind of mothers. Let's talk about that a little bit here.
Yeah, we both play very different kind of mothers. I don't know what to talk because I can't talk much in a thriller.
Without giving away the plot point.
Giving away, yeah. But we are both good mothers. We have a problem with our child, both of us. But both of us are good mothers, like any normal mothers. We are not abnormal. It is the circumstances which make us behave in a particular way, but we are very normal mothers. But the situation is such that we behave in a different way and we look different and we speak different. So that's the difference.
Fair enough. Now, the producers of this film are also very interesting. It is Prem Kishan ji's son, Siddharth Malhotra. I don't know if you worked with Cinevistars all those years. If you talk about that, please. Talk about that, please. It'll be wonderful.
Remember, there was a series called Junoon.
It was produced by them. See, because हम लोग serial देखते हैं, but we don't know कि किसने produce किया behind the scenes.
Okay, so first the casting agent called me and he said कि एक ऐसा रोल है, बहुत अच्छा रोल है, और उसने एक वर्ड यूज किया जो मैं अभी नहीं यूज करूंगी. मैं कहा नहीं, मैं ऐसे रोल नहीं करती, मैंने मना कर दिया. So then I called up my manager. I said कि ऐसे फोन आया था उसका, मैंने मना कर दिया. तो उसने कहा कि ऐसे नहीं मना करो, एक बार सुन लो, क्या पता तुम्हें अच्छा लगे, सुन के पसंद नहीं आए तो मना कर देना. This is what I am learning from my manager, that just don't say no. You never know how a person is explaining you things. So then I called Siddharth. And of course, we go back with Sunil Mehta, Kavita and all that. So Sunil and me, we were very close at one time, very, very close. Mostly work Sunil ke साथ ही हमारा होता था interaction. So Siddharth told me the story and my role, and I said, of course I want to do it. There was no way I won't do it. So the moral of the story is that एकदम से ना नहीं करो, पहले ठीक से सुन लो. You know, So, and then they were very good actors with me, and it was a good script. Then I read the script. So that is how it happened.
So it's not a spoiler. Seema Pallav has lost her son, and initially it seems as though she's committing suicide, and then she's out for revenge. Just without giving too much of the plot away, what is her mental framework? What kind of a person is she?
She is lost it. She's lost it. She's in a rage. I don't think, knows what she's doing. The correct word I can say, she's lost it.
Yeah. And often what
But-
happens with people who have nothing to lose is that they develop daring.
Exactly what you said. That I should have said that. that when you have nothing to lose, then you don't care a damn about anything, you know. So that's my mental situation right now in the movie. Yeah.
And I see you're holding some guns and things like that.
I have
Not
to tell you.
Not often that we see Neena Gupta holding guns in movies. So
Yeah.
did some stunt dada, fight dada come and tell you कि कैसे पकड़ते हैं? What is the correct way to switch it on and all that?
No, very interesting. So रियल गन दी मेरे को शॉट के टाइम पे ना, तो गन ऐसे तो नहीं पकड़ते ना, हाथ ऐसा करके पकड़ते हैं ना, तो इतनी भारी गन थी और मेरे तो मतलब काफी बार करना पड़ता है रीटेक्स. मेरा ये पूरा बाजू जाम हो गया अगले पूरे 2 दिन, because I never realized it is a heavy gun and you have to hold it. जब कैमरा रोल होता है तो काफी देर तक, तो मेरी ये राइट बाजू, it was a very heavy gun. Then suddenly I was doing something and then the camera person told me, ma'am, आपकी body language और gun के हिसाब से ठीक नहीं है, तो थोड़ा ठीक कर लो. Which was correct. Then he told me, it was very sweet of him. Then I changed my body language because one is not used to, as you said, holding guns. But I really enjoyed the role. I really enjoyed.
I like the fact that you are actually getting onto social media and explaining to people कि boss Z5 कैसे download करते हैं आप and how to do it. You know, because a lot of people, like even my mother asks me now, she says, you know, फलानी चीज को कैसे देखें, क्या करें? So it's good you're doing that. Talk about the need to do that.
Absolutely. Somebody was laughing at me. ये क्या कर रहे हो? मैंने कहा ये सबसे जरूरी है. We advertising, spending so much time, energy. ये देखना 6 अगस्त को आ रहा है, ये देखना Z5 पे देखना. तो मुझे ऐसा पहली बार बहुत हुआ है. पहले भी कुछ Z5 पे कुछ आ रहा था या कहीं और आ रहा था. वूट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरी स्टोरी वूट में किसी को पता ही नहीं है. तो ऐसे ही मैंने कहा यार सबसे जरूरी तो ये बताना है कि हाउ टू गेट इट. देन आई एम इन अमेरिका, सो आई आस्क पीपल हियर. सो माय सिस्टर इन लॉ सेड कि यहाँ पे भी है कुछ $50 में 1 साल का है. तो मैंने किया था लेकिन वो आया नहीं. मैंने कहा तो कंप्लेन करो. सो दैट्स हाउ आई सेड पीपल डोंट नो हाउ इट कम्स, कैसे सब्सक्राइब करना है, कितने पैसे देने हैं. नाउ आई नो 499 rupees फॉर अ ईयर यू हैव टू. सो ये मैंने अपने आप फिर ये पोस्ट किया जो जिसकी जरूरत थी.
Wonderful. Listen, the book has become a bestseller. Many congratulations. And I don't mean it from a royalty perspective कि इतनी कॉपियां बिकी, but it must be so beautiful when people say, you know, I like the simplistic approach, I like the writing. It must mean a lot to you. Tell me about that.
Yes, it is very surprising. I was expecting 2-3 other kind of reactions to some secrets which I have revealed. But I am so happy and amazed that people are not talking about it. They are not talking about it. Nobody has talked about it. They are only talking about good things, about the honesty, about, today I was reading some review, okay, you feel that when you are reading that you are with me in my story, you know. So मेरे को अभी तक विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि सब क्या हो रहा है. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. थैंक गॉड विश्वास नहीं हो रहा, नहीं तो मेरे दिमाग शायद खराब हो जाए. क्या पता.
Oh, sweet.
So, yeah. No, it's a great feeling inside me. I'm telling you, inside me, I don't know what's happening, you know, But I just keep telling myself, बस काम करते जाओ, सेहत का ध्यान रखो, those kind of things. But yeah, it has been a very, very interesting experience of this book. Yeah.
Lovely. So I'm happy life is going great. Masaba 2 is going to happen. Your yoga is going great. You're in America with friends. That must be special. Anupam Kher and you go back such a long way. Let's end with that. Let's end with the US and how much love you're getting from Indians there. I see you're making new friends. Must be lovely.
Yeah. These young girls and boys, they are so lovely. Anything I need, because I'm cooking myself here. As you can see, I have this room where there's a kitchen. So I have my Nirmala with me. So I'm cooking all my meals. And all these girls are so sweet. Kuch bhi mujhe chahiye, mere ko laake dete hain. Or because of Anupam, I feel great also, because the last I toured with our play with Anupam for 1.5 months in America. And somehow, हमारा चलता है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड हाँ, काम तो कड़ा है, क्योंकि सुबह खाना लेके जाओ, फिर रात को तक के आओ, तो मतलब कुछ ऐसा समय नहीं मिलता. बट इस टाइम में आप खुले मन से काम कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. बॉम्बे में मुझे डर लग रहा था काम करने में. यहाँ भी थोड़ा डर है, मैं कहीं बाहर जाऊं तो मैं मास्क लगाती हूँ, पर यहाँ लोग मास्क नहीं लगा रहे. फिर भी डर थोड़ा कम है, हालांकि डरना तो चाहिए. But it's nice weather, nice people whom I'm working with. It's called Shiv Shastri Balboa.
चलिए उसके बारे में फिर कभी बात करेंगे, because it is so interesting. Rocky Balboa, this, that. But I'm just happy you're doing well and your fans are all waiting for Dial 100 to come to see Neena Gupta in this kind of avatar.
I won't be able to see. मेरे होटल में है नहीं Z5.
अरे.
So I'll have to wait till I come back. I haven't seen the film.
No, you have to tell somebody in the unit to bring a laptop for you and put it on that.
Yeah,
I think it's about time to do that.
One girl is saying they will subscribe, and then I'll go to their house and see it. But I want all of you, all my people, my friends, you to please message me how you like the film. I'm very, very nervous.
Of course. Thank you, Neena ji. Lots of love. Virtual hugs to you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye. Bye bye.
94.3 Radio 1. One world, your station.